Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just going to be showing you how I got insulating my greenhouse. This is for summer and winter. This will be on permanently, this. As you can see, got a nice roof there. It's in plenty of light. So I've got the white side of the Mylar just to reflect as much light as I can. Some silver foil over there. These are all offcuts and second-hand pieces I've got off Sunday. So I've got a few tears and a few nicks in them, but it doesn't matter. As you can see here, just going to get started on this one. I'll just turn it around a little bit. First of all, this is what I'm using. Staple gun, and these are the staples. Not expensive at all, but you get through quite a lot of them. And this is the black side, and this is the white side. So I should be putting that just on here. Quite easy to install, nothing to it. I've doubled this bubble wrap up, as you can see. Then all you do then, try and do this one-handed. All you do then, staple it as you're going down, like so. Keep it nice and taut. Get right to the bottom. And then get the sheeting on then. I just have to put the camera down just while I do this a little bit. Sorry about this. Yeah, and then get the sheeting on. This is just, this insulates it and any drafts, because I've made this greenhouse myself. I've reclaimed wood and things like that. It is, a lot of it shrunk, the wood, when it was installed. So if it was dried, it was quite damp, so then there's quite a few gaps. Down the edge. Just pull it tight all the way to the bottom. Just this side. That's from that staples. Yep. Just pull it tight. Some staple in the middle. That's it. Just get my knife and I'll just trim all the way down the edge there. Just tidy it up a little bit. But this makes a massive difference. Just before these are installed. There's quite a lot of wind. I've still got a lot to do. I've still got all the fence panels there to do. All the way back in there. So yeah, that's that done nicely there. Well, not nicely, a bit untidy, but I'll tidy that up later. And this is the rest of it. Nicely thick. The heat comes in, the sun comes in, bounces off. I've even got a second-hand mirror here that I'm going to install further up, which will be great. So yeah, that's how to install bubble wrap and Mylar in your greenhouse, just to insulate it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.